Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on your ITLE phone. Let's begin. Now here I have the ITLE S24. The tutorial should work on other ITLE phones, though I know that certain ones have a different method of entering the recovery mode. I will showcase the one that works for me and should probably work for you, but I will also talk about the other method. So, first things first, we want to just simply power off our phone. We do that by pressing and holding the power button, and then we hit power off. After the phone vibrates, it will mean that the phone is currently turned off. Now we want to pick it up and we want to press and hold simultaneously power button and volume up button. And when the ITLE logo appears, we want to release the power button. Keep in mind though that on some other ITLE phones, instead you want to press and hold power button and volume down instead of volume up. But for my phone, the volume up shortcut works. So we want to press and hold it. And when ITLE logo appears, we want to release the power button. Now we want to press and hold for a while now. It shouldn't take longer than about 10 seconds, maybe 15. And here we are in the no command screen. Don't worry, all you have to do is simply press and hold the power button once again and press once the volume up. So we do that. And now we are in our recovery mode. And here we have a bunch of different options. We have option for rebooting the system. We can reboot to bootloader. We can enter fast boot. We can update we can apply an update from SD card. We can do a factory reset. We can mount system. We can see the recovery logs. We can run graphics tests and locally test, or we can simply power off our phone. If we want to go back to our phone, all you have to do is simply go to reboot system now, hit confirm by pressing the power button, and the phone should restart in a moment. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.